Hello, I hope you are well. And in today's video, I would like to speak about templates. Templates for your work, for your workflow. As a software engineer, if you use templates on note-taking apps such as Notion, I personally use Notion, but it could be also on Apple Note, on any other kinds of note-taking apps, to be honest. But they need to be quite smart. So basically, you need to be able to add some checklist, and then you have for checkboxes, and then you need to be able to duplicate notes. If you have that in place, that's perfect because it will make your job easier later on, especially the duplication feature. But checkboxes, it's also very important to be able to add checkboxes. Then when you will start your new task, whatever you have been asked, even though it doesn't matter, even though the product owner of your company, if you have one, is writing the ticket in a BDD way. So, the BDD way is a way how you write as a user, when I click there, I should see this, blah, blah, blah. This kind of template, that helps also for your template, but it doesn't help you in the way of you splitting your task into smaller tasks. If you have a template, you know exactly where you have to start. If you use TDD, you say, okay, I need to write my test first, and then I need to first investigate there. I shouldn't touch the code first. I should just do a look around in the code base. And then what I should do first, you identify a few files. You know that those files might be the ones you will have to touch, you will have to change. At least you save time, and you split everything in really small tasks. Basically, you will work with Pomodoro, so you will usually use 25 minutes. It sounds nothing, but it's a way to speed up your workflow. So you say, wow, I have only 25 minutes. What can I put in 25 minutes? And after I'm having a little break, it sounds then like wasting your time because you will have a lot of breaks. But believe me, you will stay way more productive that way, because breaks will make you feeling rebooted, or I should say reboosted. And that will help for after the continuation of the project. So first, you follow your template. The template you will write, and usually you will follow the same template per stack. So you have like the front-end stack, the back-end stack, the mobile stack. It will be a different template, but everything in the back-end will be the same template. Everything for the front-end, it will be the same template. Then if you have mobile apps, it will be also another template, because the architecture is quite different, and that's why you have to adapt your template, because the workflow might be different. For release strategies, I used to have templates as well. It makes my job so much easier on the release day. I know what to follow, I know what to do step by step, and that way I know that I will not make any mistakes, because I just need to follow some steps. And even if I feel so tired, if I didn't sleep the whole night last night, I just need to follow each step. Run the pipeline, do this. If it's on Apple Store, do that. If it's on Google Play, do that. Publishing, I need to use Fastlane, for instance, to send the binary to the App Store. And it makes everything so much easier, and it prevents mistakes. That's a really good way then to proceed. The other way would be to have another kind of strategy. So again, using templates always, but the template, you will write a new template every time you have to start a new feature, and you will scheme a little bit the requirements of the new ticket, and from there you will create your first template, and you will first identify what you might have to touch, always thinking and drafting a prototype. I would say a prototype helps so much before to dig into the code. Having a prototype, it will make you thinking exactly what kind of technology, libraries, packages you will have to use, and what other part of the code you might have to change to be able to implement the new feature or the new change in the best ideal way possible. So that's also a really good way to behave as a software engineer. But templates, they sound a bit, I would say, superfluous, but they really help you. They really help you in the long term, especially when you are more like a junior developer, or when you haven't used any kind of strategy like that. You don't have that engraved in you. After, of course, over time, it will feel normal, and so you will know it by heart. But at the beginning, it's a really good way to start. That's all for today. I hope it did help, and I will see you in another video. Happy coding. Bye bye.